Hello everybody, my name is Achinta Sharma and today I'm going to show you how you can create your own app. So we're going to make a chat bot. Using that you can chat with each other. So for this you need to install the chat bot in both of the phones to chat. So let's start. So I'm going to click on start new project. I'm going to name it as WhatsApp. Okay, now I'm going to click on this. Okay, it has came. Now for this I'm going to explain you how this will work. So when the user will type something and if he or she will click on the submit button, the text that you have typed will go to the next person's phone, and if you click on clear, all the then will get clear. So I'm going to show you what you have to do. So as I have explained you, so now we are going to do that. So for this you'll require first of all one label. So go to user interface, drag and drop one label. Okay, now drag and drop one horizontal alignment. Okay, you're done. Now go to user interface again and drag and drop one button. Okay, then you have to go to user interface and drag and drop one text box over here. Then one more button. Then list view. Then you have to drag and drop. Go to storage and drag and drop on CloudDB. Now what I have to do is you have to drag this button over here. Let it be over here. Now you have to drag and drop this button over here like this, and you have to extend this one. So drag and drop this text box also over here. See, drag and drop this text box like this, and this one over here. Okay, drag and drop it like this. So you're done. Now you have to just write the text. So for writing the text, click on this one and rename it as submit clear button. So I'm going to write clear button. Okay, this much is enough. Now rename this in the components too as submit. Done. Now you have to rename this one. So rename it is clear. And rename this one as submit button. So I'm renaming it submit button. Done. Now you have to make the clear button in red color. So for that, go to select this one and go to background color of this and make it as red. Now make the text as white. So go here and make the text color as white. Make the text color over here, this one, white. Now the same thing you're going to do with this, but you have to make this one as green. So I'm going to make this as green. Done. Now, and you have to make this again white. So you're done with your this one, but you have to do one more thing, that go to the list view and you see it's a background white color. So make it as black color it is, make it as white color. So now you can see it is like this, white color. Now go to your blocks for the code, and first of all you have to go to variables and drag and drop one initial as name to and make this as chat data. Okay, you're done. Now go to one list and take the first one, create a new list. So you're done with this much. Now and click on submit button and go here and go to CloudDB CloudDB this one, take and drag and drop this one, and go here text and drag and drop on blank text and make it as chat. And this one you have to go to text box, so here, and you have to make it as text box 1. So drag and drop this much. So if you take, suppose for this one, so click on this triangle and make it as you want it to be text box text. So now you're done, put it here. Now you have to do for CloudDB, so go to CloudDB1 and drag and drop got value this one and set global chat data to. So you have to go here, set global chat data, so you have to go here and drag and drop set global chat data to, and you have to make this as get value. So you're done with this much. Now go to set list view, so set list view and make it as elements. So if you drag and you can see this one, drag and drop this one over here. Now make it as get global chat data. So you have to make it as get global chat data. Okay, you're done with this much. Now you have to do the further code. So go down, or else you can make it over here also if you want. So this is when CloudDB1 data changed. So go here and drag and drop this one. Now make it as set chat data. So this one, drag and drop this one over here and make it again as get value. You're done with this much. Now go to set list view. Set list view, it is set list view elements. So drag and drop this one and you have to get it as get global chat data. So you can copy and paste this over here. Now this one you have to click on clear button, this one. Now make it like this. So what will happen is when the user clicks on the clear button, the CloudDB1 will clear all the text from the chat and the CloudDB1 will be ready to take the new text. So go to and clear tag, you can see this one, and make it as chat over here. So I'm going to just duplicate this block over here, and now again go to CloudDB1 and appendant this one and make it as text box 1 text. So I'm going to copy and paste this, and you have to make it chat again over here. So duplicate it. Thank you for watching my video. You're done with your chatbot app. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you like my video.